Yo, what's up, guys? Leo here. So, today we got a couple things going on. We got this little tiny box. I'll unbox it right now for you guys. I've already checked it and it's all good. We also got some new meats. These are the cheapest tires I could find because the ones that I have on in the back, they're completely gone. Like, it's literally on the little threat marks or whatever. So yeah, definitely needed these. And I also got the little patch kit for whichever tire. There's one that it's fucked up. Yeah, this one right here. I have the little plug for that. So in here, open it up, and you get catch can with the line fittings. Obviously, I opened it up beforehand to make sure that everything, like the fittings, go with the catch can and the lines fit, whatever. Alright, so to install the oil catch can, this is the line that you want to get into. So it goes from the intake manifold into here. So it has a little clip right here that I already took off, and then it has another clip down here. So that's what we're gonna do. We're gonna take this off, and it's super crusty, so you're probably gonna have to cut it and shit. So yeah, let's get doing that. Fucker. And I'm like trying to pressure and it does. Oh my god, this is like not rubber. Jesus Christ. So yeah, so this is what it looks like. Ew, there's oil on there. Okay. So yeah, so it goes from here to here, and pretty much what we're gonna be doing is putting the catch in between, so that all that you saw, like I touched it and it had oil. All that oil is supposed to go into the catch can and not let back into the intake manifold. And that's pretty much the job of the catch can, to catch all the oil. And that's what we're going to be doing. I don't know where I'm going to mount it yet, because I don't know where I should mount it. But I kind of want it to be kind of out the way. But it does come with 2 bolts, but it doesn't fit in here. I don't know. I'll think of something and I'll get back to you guys. Alright, so it's kind of loud, but whatever. After a lot of like tinkering around, I just had to put it up here. We made like a custom bracket for it, mounted it, and then I went and bought this line. Let me come over here. So I went to AutoZone and bought an actual line, because this is very crappy. Also, it wasn't long enough. So yeah, I went ahead and bought this line. I'm probably gonna buy some more. I'm probably gonna buy like another like foot to replace the blue one, but it just wasn't long enough. I bought 4 feet and it wasn't long enough, so 5 feet should be good. But yeah, as you can see, if you look, the line is being like sucked in. So yeah, it's not very good, but it should work for now. And I'm gonna buy the line and replace it, whatever. Alright, so let me update you guys on what happened. So the hose that comes with the kit is ass. Don't use it. Really sucks. I mean, I paid like, I don't even think I paid 40 bucks for the kit, but whatever. Point is, the hose is ass. Don't use it. Go buy some rubber hose, which is what I have around my neck right now. So this is what we did, right? Made a bracket, mounted it to the bracket, and I was putting on the hoses. And this hose we bought, I think 4 feet, and it wasn't long enough, or it would have been tight. So go with 5 feet, and then you'll be good. And then I put this hose, which was the one that I cut from to put in the in. I put it in the out because it's long enough. But then this hose is so fucking trash that the vacuum that this makes is too much for the hose, and it like clamps it down. So there's no air going in, and it clamps it down here, here, and here. So yeah, buy a rubber hose. I'm gonna go ahead and swap that right now and show you guys and turn on the car so you guys can see it. But yeah, pretty much don't use that hose. Alright, so this is what the setup is gonna look like. Catch can, oils. So let's do a recap, because I found a bunch of videos that didn't explain what happens. So pretty much the oil from the heads or crank or whatever, point is that the oil that goes back into the intake, that it recirculates through the system. What the catch can does is it takes that oil out of the air, and then only air goes into the intake, which is what it's only supposed to go in there. It's only supposed to be air, but there's oils in the air, so not only air goes in. So oil catch can catches the oil, only air goes back in. This one has a dipstick. Pretty much you just take it off, and yeah, so what you're essentially doing, imagine if in between the line that goes in here in your engine, imagine if you're just like dumping the oil somewhere else, and then only air is going back into the engine. That's pretty much, that's essentially what you're doing. Please leave a like and a comment, subscribe if you're new, and I'll see you guys next time. Stay in your lane, guys.
She say, do you love me? I tell her only partly. I only love my bed and my mom. I'm sorry. 50 dub, I even got it tatted on me.